How to log into Indigo credit card account online. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can log into Indigo credit card account online, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to log into your Indigo credit card account online, all you have to do is basically just go ahead and actually open up your indigocard.com website. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. Once you go to indigocard.com, you will see this type of interface where what you need to do is just click the My Account option from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you click the My Account option from the very top right hand side of the screen, you will be able to see this type of interface where you have to simply enter your username as well as your password. So go ahead and make sure to enter your username as well as your password. Once you've entered your username as well as your password, you'll be able to see all these sorts of various details, right? So if your account details are correct, you can click the login option and then you'll get successfully signed in. Otherwise, what you can just try to do after this is, if you have not yet registered, you can click on register. If you forgot your username and password, you can click on forgot username and password option over here in order to successfully sign in to your Indigo credit card account. This way you'll be able to sign into your Indigo credit card account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.